All right, how is everyone doing today? Welcome back to another video. And today, what I have for everyone is we're going to do the microphone test for the Sony WH-CH520 truly wireless Bluetooth headphones. So, all of the audio you guys and gals are going to hear for this video here today is coming straight from the onboard microphones from the WH-CH520 truly wireless Bluetooth headphones. So today we're going to test the microphones in two different scenarios. The one is going to be a simulated noise-free environment, or as noise-free as I can get it, pretty much how the scene is set up here. Okay. And then the second one is going to be with simulated crowd noise that I have pulled up on my computer in the background. This way, you guys and gals will get an example of how the microphones perform when you're in a quiet environment and how the microphones perform when you're in a noisy environment. So I hope you guys and gals enjoy this video, and I hope you guys and gals find it helpful. And without further ado, let's jump into the video. And today's video is being recorded with the front and rear facing cameras on the Google Pixel 6a in 1080p at 30 FPS, and all the audio is coming from the onboard microphones on the Sony WH-CH520 truly wireless Bluetooth headphones. So let's get started. So far in this video, you guys and gals have been hearing the microphones with no external sounds. All right. Now I have the AC is on, but it's off at the moment. My doors are closed. There's no other audio around me going on. So this is as best as I can get it in terms of ideal noise environments. So this is how the microphones on the WH-CH520 sound in the ideal noise-free environment, or as close to ideal as I can get it. Now, I have some simulated crowd noise pulled up on my computer in the background, which is hooked up to my TV, and we're going to let it play. Now, for reference, and I'll have this up in the B-roll later, I have the TV itself set to 18% volume, but then I have my computer's audio set to 100% volume, just so y'all will know the difference there. Okay? So now let's go ahead and push play, and then I'm going to talk at my normal volume, at my natural cadence, and this will give you an idea of how the microphones on the headphones will isolate my voice over the ambient or surrounding sounds. So let's go ahead and push play and test it now. Let's go. All right, let's push play. All right. Oh, my bad. That's not the right one. Hold on. Here we go. There we go. Let this play for a little bit. Okay. And now I'm just going to talk at my natural tone, at my natural cadence. And I won't know how the headphones are doing at isolating my voice until I watch the video back in post, but hopefully it's doing a good job here. All right? Hopefully it is. We'll find out. We will find out. Okay. All right. That's enough of that. Let me pause the video. All right. And now we're back to an ideal, or as close to ideal noise-free environment as I can get it. Okay. So this has been a microphone test, testing out the onboard microphones on the Sony WH-CH520 truly wireless Bluetooth headphones. Now, before we get up out of here, I just want to let everyone know and see how I have everything set up. So I'm going to go ahead and put up the B-roll of how I set up the whole video right now. Okay. And first, you can see all I did was connect up the headphones to the Google Pixel 6a. Okay. Then I went into the dedicated stock Google Pixel 6a camera app. All right. And then you can see I switched the audio source to the Bluetooth headphones. Okay. Then I went ahead and turned off the voice isolation feature because I wanted it to be natural. I didn't want there to be any assistance. And then you can see the video resolution is set to 1080p. Okay. And then I just went ahead and spun the cameras around and did the same thing for the front facing camera, which is pretty cool because you can have the same settings on the front facing camera as you can have on the rear. The only difference is the front facing camera on the Pixel 6a can't record in up to 4K 60. It can only go as high as 1080p. So to keep everything uniform, I left the rear facing footage at 1080p and I put the front facing footage at 1080p. So this whole video has been recorded with the rear and front facing cameras on the Google Pixel 6a. All right. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, you know what to do. Please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. Also, please remember if you would like to see any more of my extended coverage on these headphones, I'll have all the extended coverage linked up down below in the video description, as well as where you can pick up these headphones at some really great prices. All the affiliated links as to where you guys and gals can pick up these headphones at some really great prices will be linked up down below in the video description as well. And as the name implies, when you guys and gals use those links, I do get a small percentage of kickback that I do put back into the channel so I can keep bringing you guys and gals content at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So those affiliate links, in my opinion, are a win-win for everyone. I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace.